Good morning, Violas. Happy Monday and welcome back to our digital orchestra classroom. Today is an exciting day. We are learning Allegro! Yay! Allegro is kind of like the grand finale song of 6th grade. It's really fun to play, but there are a lot of things about it that are really tricky, okay? So this video is a little bit longer because it's a practice video and it's also me giving just some helpful hints as we get started with part A of Allegro. So notice as you're looking through the assignment, there are several things that are posted to the assignment. The first thing is the true blue version of Allegro in our Suzuki book. I posted this up there because I want you to study it. I want you to look at it and see some things in there that maybe are familiar to you, maybe take note of the things that are unfamiliar, but I want to have that side by side with the cheat sheet so that you can start to compare them. How do they look when you put them side by side? It's just gonna be a really interesting experience. So the second thing that's posted is a cheat sheet. This is part A. You'll notice there are 4 lines of music. Lots of crazy things going on in there. In line 2, you'll see some notes that are squished together with a bracket. That means 8th notes. Same thing in line 4. There's a circle set. There's a thing that says repeat, because we're gonna play this twice. There's lots of stuff going on. So as we start practicing this together, one of the things that I would suggest, if there's a moment where you need to pause me and practice something more, do it, okay? Do it. If you feel overwhelmed by something and need to just stop and tinker with it for a moment, that is an excellent practice strategy. Make sure you're doing that. We're gonna go through line by line, learning each line and how it works, and then we will start putting it together. So make sure that you're really paying attention, really following instructions, and you guys, if you leave this until Friday, if it's Friday right now and you're just now watching this and getting started on this, you're gonna struggle, okay? You need to practice this for several days. So hopefully it's Monday, maybe 1 o'clock, maybe you've had a good lunch and you're ready to start on orchestra for the week. Make sure you give this several days, okay? We're gonna start with the first line. You'll notice, if you have the music in front of you, you'll notice that we have 2 high Ds and 2 open As. Now that's not too bad, but if you look at the true blue version, the one on the lines and spaces, you'll see that there are little dots above these quarter notes in the first measure. That means staccato. We're gonna play these notes with a really kind of fast but separate bow stroke. So listen to how it sounds. I'm gonna walk up to that high D just to make sure it's really in tune. Here's how the first line sounds. Listen first. You'll see that I stopped my bow, but I used quite a bit of bow. It was a fast bow. Listen one more time. Yeah? Try it with me. Let's go ahead and walk up to our high D, just with taka taka stop stop. This fast. 1, 2, ready, go. Extra picky. Left-hand accuracy is so important in this one, guys. So here we go. Play this with me. 1, 2, high D, ready, go. Try it again. Make sure that D is in tune. 1, 2, ready, and set, go. Fabulous. One more time. Ready, and set, go. Good. Let's move on to the second line. We're gonna start with this set of 8th notes. We know, hopefully we know, that 8th notes are a little bit faster than quarter notes. So let's just break this down in slow motion. The first note is a first finger B, then second finger C sharp, high D, back to first finger. That's the trickiest part, is remembering to lift your fingers back to first finger. Listen again. Try it with me, super slow. 1, 2, 3, 1. Try it with me. Ready and set, go. Do it again. Ready and set, go. Little faster. Ready and set, go. Again. Ready, set, go. Faster. Ready, set, go. Again. Ready, set, go. Little faster. Ready and set, go. Again. Ready, set, go. Now this would probably be a good time to pause that video. You probably didn't quite get it in that 1 minute that we were working on it. Pause me now and work on those four notes. Goodness. Okay, now, after we play that set of eighth notes, we have 2 open A's. So listen to how all of line 2 sounds. Those A's are quarter notes. They are staccato and slower. Listen again. Try it with me. This is all of line 2. Ready? 1, 2, first finger, ready, set, go. One more time. Ready and set, go. Good. Now before we move on, let's play line 1 and line 2 together. Start with your high D. Make sure it's really in tune. Here we go. Beginning. First 2 lines. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. Do it again. 1, 2, high D, ready, go. This one is so easy. 2 G's, 2 F sharps. Listen to how it sounds. G, G, F sharp, F sharp. Play that with me. Fast, separate bow strokes. Ready, set, go. One more time. Ready, set, go. Good. All right. Now, the last line starts with another set of eighth notes. We need to break that down before we do anything else. So, take a look at it. In slow motion, we have E, open D, E again, F sharp. So we have E, D, E, F sharp. Listen to how it sounds. Try that with me. Super slow motion, starting on first finger E. Ready and set, go. Do it again. Ready, set, go. Faster. Ready, set, go. Again, ready, set, go. Faster, ready, set, go. Again, ready, set, go. One more time, faster, ready, and set, go. Again, ready, set, go. One more time, ready, and set, go. Good, all right. You'll notice that the last note is a long open D, but after the D, we have a circle set. So, really quick thing. When we circle set in preparation for the repeat, do we circle set to the D string or the A string? The A string, yes. When we repeat, we're going back to A string notes. So make sure that when we circle set here in a minute, you circle set back to the A string. Now, I'm gonna play the fourth line with the circle set, and I want you to watch what is the speed of my circle set. Would you say that was fast? Not horribly fast, but it also wasn't slow either. So I would try to get back to the A string as quickly as you can. Watch one more time. It's kind of like there's a magnet attached to your A string. Your bow is drawn back as quickly as it leaves the string. All right, let's play the last line together with the circle set. This fast. Circle, set. Ready and set, go. Circle, set. Again, first finger E, ready and set, go. Circle, set. Good. Now, we're gonna put the entire thing together. We're gonna do this in two ways. First, we're gonna play it all the way through, just one time, to see how it feels. Then, we will take the repeat. Now, if you've watched and practiced this far, bravo to you. Your mind is probably spinning, maybe you feel a little bit overwhelmed. Remember, take it slowly, break it apart, go line by line, okay? Join my Google Hangouts. I'm gonna be teaching this live this week in my Google Hangouts. So if you choose not to show up to those, you're automatically putting yourself at a disadvantage, all right? I'm gonna go ahead and take a moment to tell you what this week's secret code is. It actually has to do with Allegro. The secret code is the musical form of Allegro, which is A, B, A. That's right, there's only two parts, A and B, but we mix them up in kind of a weird way. So again, the musical form, which is also the secret code, is A, B, A. Make sure that you comment that privately on our assignment, but also tuck it in your brain. A, B, A. Okay, let's play the entire part, just one time, just to see how it feels. So, let's start at the very beginning. Find your high D. All right, here we go. Not too fast. 1, 2, beginning, ready, set, go. G, F sharp. Circle, set. Good. Hopefully you felt okay about that. If you don't, excuse me, hiccup. If you didn't, pause me, practice it again. But now I'm gonna play it 2 times in a row, which is exactly what you're going to do for your test. Make sure you take this repeat, guys. You're gonna play part A 2 times. That is your assignment for this week. Here we go. Try it with me. Find your high D. 1, 2, beginning. Ready, set, go. G, F sharp. Circle, set. Circle, set. We circle set both times. The second time is in preparation for part B. So, hopefully this wasn't too scary. Wow, my hair is a mess. Sorry, y'all. Hopefully this wasn't too scary. If you have questions, let me know. This was a lot of information. This is a long video. Hopefully you've made it all the way this far. Use the cheat sheet, use Allegro in the True Blue version, ask me questions, join my Google Hangout. But on Friday, I will be looking for part A 2 times playing in your video. Okay, so happy practicing, best of luck, and have a great day. Bye guys.